Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Lexus RX 350 headlight full guide. Begin by disconnecting the battery and removing decorative trim panels as needed. Then locate the headlight access cover and remove fasteners carefully. Lay out fasteners in order and avoid touching the new bulb glass with bare hands. Keep the vehicle stable and use a flashlight for visibility, and consult your owner manual for model-specific clips and torque values. In this video, I will show how to change Lexus RX 350 headlight full guide. Start by removing the trim and any obstructing components to access the headlight housing, then unfasten screws or clips and gently pull the housing forward. Disconnect the wiring harness by depressing the lock tab and remove the old bulb with a counterclockwise twist. Inspect the socket and replace any damaged connectors before installing the new bulb. In this video, I will show how to change Lexus RX 350 headlight full guide. Quick recommendation. I use leak-proof meal prep containers to store small screws and bulbs when working. They keep parts organized and prevent spills, and they double as snack boxes for long jobs. If you like this tip, please subscribe and hit like. Check the description for the product link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to change Lexus RX 350 headlight full guide. Install the new bulb by aligning tabs and seating it firmly, then rotate it clockwise until it locks into place and reconnect the wiring harness. Reinstall the headlight housing and any trim pieces in the reverse order of removal, torque fasteners to spec, and test low and high beams. Adjust aim as needed using the headlight adjustment screws for correct road alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.